Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do keyword research directly inside WordPress without using tools like RS. If you are a blogger, marketer, or a content writer, keyword research is the first step before writing any article. It helps you understand what people are searching for and which topics you should target. So, in this video, I'll walk you through the full process. We'll start from choosing a primary keyword, understanding related NLP and semantic keywords, checking search volume and competition, and finally deciding which topic is worth writing about. Let's start with the first step, choosing a primary or focus keyword. A primary keyword is the main topic of your article. It's the keyword you want your content to rank for in search engines. For example, if someone is searching for best CRM software, that phrase becomes the primary keyword of the article. Once you have your focus keyword, the next step is to analyze it inside WordPress using Genie. So, I'm inside my WordPress dashboard, and here on the keyword research page, I will enter my focus keyword. Let's say the keyword is best CRM software. After entering the keyword, I simply click the Analyze Keyword button. The tool will take a few seconds and then generate a list of keywords. Now, you can see three important types of keywords here: related keywords, NLP keywords, and semantic keywords. First, let's talk about related keywords. Related keywords are closely connected search queries that people use while searching for the same topic. This helps you cover different variations of your main keyword and make your content more comprehensive. Next are NLP keywords. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. These keywords help search engines understand the context and intent of your content. Then we have semantic keywords. Semantic keywords help improve the topical depth of your content. These are conceptually related terms that help search engines understand the full topic you are covering. Now let's talk about search volume and competition. Search volume tells you how many people search for a keyword each month. Competition score tells you how difficult it might be to rank for that keyword. Generally, you can think of it like this. If the competition score is low, the keyword is easier to rank for. If the competition is medium, it requires decent quality content and optimization. If the competition is high, it will be harder to rank unless your website has strong authority. Now, once you review the keywords, the next step is to collect them. Here, you can click the download button and select download CSV. This will download the keywords as an Excel file. From there, you can review all the related NLP and semantic keywords and choose the ones that are relevant to your content. Then, you can use those keywords naturally inside your article to optimize it. And that's basically the process I follow for keyword research inside WordPress using Genie. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.